Have you ever wondered why some Toyota hybrids seem almost impossible to kill? You see stories of Prius taxis crossing 300,000 miles, Camry hybrids running for decades, and owners bragging that they've done little more than basic maintenance. Meanwhile, many modern vehicles start developing expensive problems long before reaching those numbers. So what's Toyota's secret? The answer isn't luck. It isn't magic. And surprisingly, it isn't even the battery. In fact, the reasons Toyota hybrids last so long are hidden in the way they're engineered from the ground up. The first reason is something most people completely misunderstand. When people hear the word hybrid, they assume the car must be incredibly complicated. After all, it has a gasoline engine, electric motors, batteries, computers, and dozens of sensors. Surely that means more things can break, right? Not exactly. Toyota designed its hybrid system to eliminate many of the components that traditionally wear out in normal vehicles. One of the best examples is the transmission. Most conventional automatic transmissions rely on clutch packs, hydraulic systems, and constant gear changes. Over time, those parts wear down and repairs can become expensive. Toyota's hybrid system takes a different approach. Instead of relying on traditional shifting mechanisms, it uses a power-splitting system that operates with far fewer stressed components. The result is smoother operation and significantly less mechanical wear over hundreds of thousands of miles. But that's only part of the story. Toyota also removed several components that regular cars depend on every day. There is no conventional starter motor constantly dealing with engine starts. There is no traditional alternator performing charging duties. The hybrid system handles those jobs through electric motor generators built directly into the drivetrain. Fewer parts doing the same work means fewer opportunities for something to fail. And then there are the brakes. Most drivers do not realize how little work the brake pads actually do in a Toyota hybrid. Every time the driver slows down, the vehicle recovers energy through regenerative braking. Instead of turning speed into heat, the system converts it into electricity and sends it back to the battery. That is why some owners report brake pads lasting well beyond 100,000 miles. The braking system simply is not working as hard as it would in a traditional vehicle. But the real secret starts when we look under the hood. Here is something most people never think about. A hybrid engine does not live the same life as a normal engine. In a conventional vehicle, the engine handles everything, accelerating from a stoplight, climbing hills, merging onto highways, crawling through traffic. It's constantly being pushed and pulled through different operating conditions. Those rapid changes create stress. Every hard acceleration, every heavy load, every moment spent idling contributes to wear over time. Toyota hybrids change that equation. The electric motors step in during the most demanding situations. When pulling away from a stop or moving through city traffic, the electric side of the system handles a significant portion of the workload. That means the gasoline engine spends more time operating in efficient conditions instead of constantly fighting heavy demands. Think of it like two people carrying a heavy box together instead of one person carrying it alone. The workload gets shared. As a result, the engine experiences less strain throughout its life. Another major advantage involves cold starts. Engine wear is highest during the first few moments after startup. Oil hasn't fully circulated yet, temperatures are low, and internal components haven't reached optimal conditions. A traditional vehicle experiences a cold start every single trip. A Toyota hybrid often relies on battery power at low speeds before fully engaging the engine. Over years of driving, That reduction in harsh startup cycles can make a meaningful difference in engine longevity. Simply put, the engine is aging at a slower rate. And now we get to the part everyone worries about: the battery. For years, critics claimed hybrid batteries would fail early and cost a fortune to replace. That fear still exists today, even though real-world evidence tells a very different story. Toyota's battery strategy is actually one of the smartest aspects of the entire system. Most people assume the battery is constantly charging to 100% and draining close to zero. But that's not what happens. Toyota intentionally restricts how much of the battery's capacity is used. The battery spends most of its life operating in a comfortable middle range rather than experiencing extreme charging and discharging cycles. Why does that matter? Because extreme cycles are one of the fastest ways to degrade any battery. By avoiding those extremes, Toyota dramatically reduces stress on the battery cells. The software continuously monitors temperatures, charging behavior, and battery health to keep everything operating within safe limits. Heat is another major battery killer. That's why Toyota includes cooling systems and temperature management strategies specifically designed to prevent excessive heat buildup. Keeping temperatures under control slows down long-term degradation and helps preserve battery performance for years. The result speaks for itself. There are countless examples of Toyota hybrids reaching 200,000, 300,000, and even higher mileage figures while still using their original battery packs. For many technicians who regularly service these vehicles, the battery isn't even the primary concern. Routine maintenance items are often far more likely to require attention first. But there's one final reason Toyota hybrids have earned such a legendary reputation. Toyota rarely chases trends. While some manufacturers constantly introduce entirely new powertrain designs, Toyota tends to refine proven systems year after year. Small improvements are made, weaknesses are addressed, and lessons from millions of vehicles get incorporated into future models. That approach may not generate flashy headlines, but it creates something far more valuable: reliability. Every generation benefits from the experience of the generation before it. That's why taxi companies, rideshare drivers, commuters, and fleet operators continue choosing Toyota hybrids. These people aren't buying vehicles based on marketing claims. They're making decisions based on real-world operating costs and long-term durability. And the numbers keep pointing in the same direction. So when you see a Prius with 300,000 miles or a Camry Hybrid still running strong after years of daily driving, you're looking at the result of a very specific formula: a simpler drivetrain, an engine that works less, a battery protected by intelligent software, and decades of careful refinement instead of risky experimentation. Put those pieces together, and you get one of the longest-lasting automotive systems ever built. And that's why Toyota hybrids continue to earn a reputation that few vehicles can match. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.